Good morning, all of you. So in last class, we have discussed what is the applications of Newton's second law of motion. In today's class, we will discuss what is the how to solve the numericals understanding, means which is related to the Newton's second law of motion. So when it comes to here in last class, we have studied different applications of Newton's second law of motion. Can you able to say what are that? What is that applications we have studied?
Catching cricket ball,
Yeah. So if it comes to here, applications of second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, if it comes. So while you are catching a
cricket ball,
cricket ball. Next,
Football.
cricket ball. What is the application of that? Next, second one. What is the second
high
one?
jump,
In the case
high
of
jump,
in the case of high jump, catching a cricket ball. Next, the case of high jumper. The case of high and long jumper. Next one. Tamil Selvan. Next one, tell me. Seat belt. Understanding. Very good. So in the case of seat belt. So these are the different kind of applications of Newton's second law of motion we have studied. Is it yes or no? All of you?
yes sir,
Yes. So noted Darun joined. Yeah, girls not joined. So okay. So now, good morning, Samya. So in today's class, we will see understanding. So these are the uses of seat belts in cars and what is all we have studied in the last class. So if you fail to understand where the seat belts, as we know that passengers when they're hit an accident, the car drivers, they may be fall forward, or when they hit from the back side, then they will hit to the backward, so that we have some neck injuries also. So to protecting the neck injuries, we have something for our necks. So that is what we have studied before. What is that? Head. What is it?
retainers,
What?
head retainers,
Head retainers. Understand? So that will protect us from the safety of the back. Is it yes or no? So head restraints. So head restraints will protect when the any vehicle will hit us from the back side, then it will protect us. Is it true or not? So that is all.
yes sir,
So everywhere we have a Newton's applications of Newton's second law of motion. So that is what we have studied. So Newton's second law of motion will says that it is what? It is the relationship between force, acceleration, and mass. That is what the Newton's second law. Is it yes or no?
yes sir,
Yes. So in today's class, we will discuss some of the numericals which is related to this Newton's second law of motion and few numericals based upon the first chapter also. So that is also we will study. So now let us comes to the first question. All of you write first question. First question. Now, good morning, Samaya, Manya. Darun not yet joined. Please call to Darun. Yeah. So this is our first sample problem. So all of you shall read the problem. All of you read the problem. Read and you can understand it. So what is that? What force would be needed to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square? 4 meter per second square in a ball of mass 6 kg they are asking. So just very simple. Is it yes or no? It is direct formula based question. So they are asking that what force is needed? What force is needed? Understanding to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square of a ball mass is 6 kg. Can you able to say Tamil Selvan given data? So given what they are given, Manya, Samaya. So given, if you'll observe what they are giving, Ra. So they are given that acceleration, understanding. So acceleration A is equals to 4 meter per second. Mass M is equals to how much, Ra? Mass
6 kg,
kg.
Please respond. 6 kg. So what they are asking? They are asking us to understand.
Force.
Produce this much acceleration of this much mass. So how much force is required? They are asking. So what is the formula? Force,
F is equal to M into A.
force is equals to mass into acceleration. Is it yes or no?
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
No, that's all. So force F is equals to mass into acceleration. So now you can substitute. How much it is? F is equals to mass is equals to how much, Ra?
6 kg.
Into
kg.
acceleration is equals to 4 meter.
4
meter
meter
per
per
second
second square.
Force is equals to how much? 6 4s are
24
24 unit kilogram meter per.
meter
per
per
second
second.
square.
But basically force we used to represent in what? Newtons. Is it yes or no?
Newtons.
Newton. So as we know that, we know what? 1 kilogram meter per second square, which is equals to how many newtons? 1 Newton. Understanding, Ra? This is the relation between
Yes, sir.
kilogram into meter per second square equals to 1 Newton. So that what I can write? 24 into 1 kilogram meter per second square, which is equals to how much, Ra? Which is equals to how much? F is equals to
24 newtons.
Do you understanding Tamil Selvan? Darun, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So that is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Write it down. Laksha, do it now. Solve it. So this is the question. Write it. See, numericals, please concentrate very well. This is my request I'm saying you. Concentrate well. I will teach you very slowly. Please, slowly you have to solve it. Do it now. What force would be needed to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square in a ball of mass 6 kg? Solve it neatly. Is it difficulty or easy?
Easy.
Easy. Very easy. Tamil Selvan, Pradosh, Laksha, solve it please.
Sir.
Mavanesh, have you solved? Neatly, like this only should be notes. I will finish you.
Yes, sir.
And always you should remember relationship between 1 Newton equals how much? 1 Newton is equals to 1 kilo
1 kg
per second square. All
Meter
of
per
you
second.
remember that please. 1 Newton equals to 1 kilogram meter per second square. That is what you should remember. Understanding? So do it now. This is the question number 1. Any doubt, ask me. Solve it.
completed, sir.
Okay. Ready? Next question. Second question. Shall we go second question?
Yes, sir.
All of you. So this is what the second question. Do it now. So what they are asking, what we should do? You please tell me. You have to tell me. I won't say every time. So you may observe carefully. What is the acceleration they are asking here? What is the acceleration? So we should find what, Manya? We have to find A.
Acceleration.
Acceleration produced by a force of 12 newtons. 12 newtons. Force is equal to how much, Ra? This is the force and this is the acceleration. And what is the mass, Ra? Mass is equal to how much?
EKG.
3 kg. That's all. So now we want to given. Can you able to say given, please? We want to calculate acceleration. So be very careful. Very slowly, neatly you have to solve. So given. What we should solve? Given, tell me. Force is equal
Force is equal to 12 newtons.
force
12
F
newtons.
equal to 12 newtons. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, next mass M is equals to how much, Ra?
3 kg.
3 kg.
Kilogram. So what we should calculate, Ra?
Acceleration.
Acceleration we should calculate. So A equals to how much we should calculate. So now Please tell me the relation, Ra. What is that force is equals to? Force is equals to mass into acceleration.
Mass into
Now we want
acceleration.
acceleration. So now what we should do, Ra? Acceleration is equals to what will become?
Acceleration is equal to
Force by mass.
force by mass.
By mass. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
And what is the unit of acceleration, Ra? What is the unit of acceleration?
Meter per second square.
Meter per second square.
Given data, there is no meter per second square. Sir, what we should do? You may observe very carefully here. This is what the force. So force is equals to 12 newtons. Can I write 12 into 1 newton? Anybody? Any
Yes.
doubt?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt? Now, 1 newton equals to how much? Last previous question we have studied. 1 newton equals to how much?
1
newton
kilogram meter per
1
second square.
kilogram meter per second square.
second square. We have to convert it because we want meter per second square. Correct or not? So kilogram meter per second square. This is 1 kilogram. So I can write as 12 kilogram meter per second square. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Into
Conversion should be there. Manya, Samya, do you understanding? So now you can proceed. Force is equals to 12 kilogram meter per second square divided by mass equals to how much, Ra? 3
3
kilogram.
kg.
So kilogram will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 fours.
Three.
So which is
Sir.
acceleration equals how much, Ra? Acceleration
4 meter per second
4
square.
meter per second square.
meter per second square. Do you understand in Tamil, Selvan? Do you understand or not? So that is what is right.
Yes, sir.
That is, at last you should write acceleration A is equals to, understanding, acceleration A is equals to 4 meter per second square. All of you should solve. Do you understanding, Ra? You have to convert it Newton into kilogram meter per second square because we need acceleration here. Without that, it is invalid. Is it okay, Laksha, Samaya, Manya?
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Tamil Selvan, you also respond. Elamakil completed? Do
No,
it.
sir.
Solve it. Take your time and you solve it. Given data, you have to analyze it. Do it. Completed? Solve it. No issues. Is it completed?
Completed, sir.
Next, sir.
And Darun also joined now. Darun, now this is the question. You can note it down. This is the question and solve it, Darun. This is the first two questions. So now, if you'll solve this question, we'll move to the second question. Next question. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So now, second question. Arvind, Darun, now onwards you focus, Ra. No issues. We can solve it. So let us come to this is the third question. This is very important. This is not direct question. You may observe very carefully. So, all of you read the question and tell me the given data. Sample problem 3. Calculate the force. What they are asking here, calculate what? Calculate force.
Force.
So first given. So given, understand? So given So calculate the force required. Manya and Laksha, if you have doubt, you please ask me. Calculate the force required to impart a velocity of 30 meter per second in how much time, Ra? 10 seconds.
10 second.
Velocity. This is the velocity and this is the time. Understanding? Starting from rust. Starting from rust means initial velocity is how much? 0.
0 meter per second.
Yeah, 0 meter per second. Understanding? And final velocity is how much? 30 meter per
30 meter per second.
understand. And mass is how much? 1500 and
1000
1500 kg. So what they are asking given can you able to say given is equals to starting from rust.
equal to
Initial velocity is
U equal to 0 meter second.
initial velocity. Please respond me, Manya. Initial velocity U is equals to 0
0 meter per second.
Why? Starting from
Rust.
rest. Understand? Next, final velocity is equals to, please respond. Final
30
velocity,
meter per
30
second.
meter per second.
final
30
velocity
meter per
is
second.
equals to 30 meter per second. Next, time period. Time period T is
10
equals to
second. 10
seconds.
second.
10 seconds. Understand? So 10 seconds. What there are next? Mass is equals to mass
1500 kg.
1500 kg.
1500 and 1500 and kilogram. So what they are asking us to calculate? Force they are asking.
Force.
Force F is equals to how much they are asking. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
force
sir.
what is the formula. Force F is equals to what is the formula?
Force equal to mass
Mass into acceleration.
Mass into acceleration.
acceleration.
Mass into acceleration.
Mass we know 1500 kg, but we
1500 into
correct or not? Yes, sir. How
Yes,
to
sir.
do?
sir.
Now this is a problem. So you may observe here, by using a given data, we can calculate the acceleration. So observe very carefully. Velocity and time, you want to calculate acceleration. Velocity time equation. Velocity time equation. First equation of motion. How you can do? Velocity time equation.
V is equal to U plus AT.
Equal to U plus 80.
Equation. They have given velocity and time, Ray. So what is it? V, which equation? V equals to U plus AT. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From that A equals to what? A is equals to this V will come this side. So AT is equals to V minus U and A is equals to what? V minus U by T. So please all of you solve it. So V is equals to how much, Ra? 30 minus U
30.
equals to 0 divided by time is
By
equal
10,
to
10 second.
equals to
3 meter per second
30 by
square.
10.
even the
10 ones are 10, 10 threes are.
3 meter per second square. This is what the acceleration. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All of you. Like this, you should calculate the first acceleration. Till here, any doubt, anybody, please ask me. Pradosh, Tamil Selvan, Darun, Manya, Samya, Laksha. Here, question, acceleration, they have not given directly. So that you may observe in the given data, velocity and time they have given. So velocity and time, what we should calculate? From the first equation of motion, velocity, time, velocity versus time equation, first equation. Correct or not, Pradosh? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
what. With the help of that, we'll calculate the acceleration. Now you substitute in the formula. So force is equals to mass is 1500 kilogram into acceleration is equals to how much?
3 meter
3
per
meter per
second.
second square.
Square, which is equals to 1503 is the how much, Ra? 4,500
4,500 sir.
meter per second
Meter
square.
per second square.
Yeah, so as we know that, but we must write in the form of newtons. So force is equals to 4,500
4,500.
because why? We know 1 Newton equals to 1
1
kilogram.
kilogram meter per second
Meter per
square.
second square.
That is. You understanding all of you? Any doubt? Ask me, please. Solve it. Solve it. Solve it. Maunesh, do you understand, Maunesh? Very slowly, neatly I am teaching. In this also not understanding, then no use. Remember that and solve it. Solve it. This is the question. Slowly, perfectly you solve. Darun, do you understand, Darun? Any doubt? Ask me, please. No response, Darun. Shall we move to next question, Ra?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Solve. All of you solve, no problem. Manya and Samya, do you solve? Did you complete it, Manya and Samya? Once it is completed, you tell me.
Completed, sir.
Correct? Shall we go for next question?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
All of you observe this graph first. All of you observe this graph first. Can you able to observe this graph?
Yes, sir.
Observe. So this is which graph, Ra?
Velocity time graph.
Velocity time graph. So what it will give usually?
Acceleration.
Acceleration will be correct. So now start solving this question. This is the question. Start solving. Let me see who will explain. So what is the distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds? What is the distance? Distance means what, Ra? How to calculate distance from the graph? Can anybody say, remembered and say, yesterday also I have taught you. Distance.
Sir, area.
Calculate the area.
Area, that is. Understand? So that is first. So that is what you should do. So all of you start doing now. So observe very carefully. So the speed time graph of a car is given alongside. The car weighing how much, Ra? What is the weight, mass of the car? 1000
1000
kilo.
kg.
1000 kilogram.
Given data, you should tell me given. Understand? So what is the mass?
1000 kg.
1000 kilogram.
1000 kilogram. Next, they are asking what is the distance traveled by the car in the first 2 seconds. So first 2 seconds means observe very carefully. So this is the 0 seconds and this is the first 2 seconds. So 2 seconds means what is the speed? Speed is equal to how much? Speed is equal to how much?
15.
15 meter
15 meter per second.
So they are asking distance traveled. So distance traveled is equals to what? Area of this triangle. Is it yes or no? Will you accept it? Or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yeah, all of you. So Roman number 1, understanding. Distance traveled, S is equals to distance traveled. S is equals to how much, Ra?
Sir, 15 meter.
S is equals to, you have to tell me the formula. That is what?
15 meter.
Half into base
Half
into
into base
h.
into height.
Correct. So now, so half into base into height. Half into base is equals to how much? This is called as base.
2,
How much?
2, sir.
How
2,
much
sir.
base? 2 minus 0, it is 2. Understanding? Into height is equals to how much? Height. This is
15 meter.
15.
which is equals to
15.
15. So now observe carefully. 2 will get cancelled, which is equals to with 15 meters. That is the distance traveled in first 2 seconds. Is it correct or not? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Sir.
All of you. So that is what.
Yes, sir.
Solve it now. First part, solve it all of you. This is what the first part. So totally here 3 parts are there. So this is the first triangle and this is second one is square. I think square only, square or rectangle. And this is the third one again, triangle. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Be very careful. So A to B what? Increasing acceleration or decreasing acceleration? Uniform.
Increasing acceleration.
Uniform.
Acceleration.
Increasing acceleration.
Uniform increasing acceleration.
Uniform increasing acceleration. Here,
Acceleration, sir.
zero acceleration. Acceleration is 0 means constant.
Constant.
Next here,
constant speed.
uniform
Uniform decreasing
Decreasing acceleration.
retardation. Uniform retardation. Decreasing acceleration also you can write, no problem. That is. So this is the first question. Next. What is the braking force applied at the end of 5 seconds? Applied at the end of 5 seconds to bring the car to stop within 1 second, they are asking. Within 1 second. So here we should know the acceleration. If you know the acceleration, we should know the force. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now second case they are asking force. Second case they are asking force. So force is equals to what? What is the formula? Force is equals to? Force
Mass
is
into
Mass
acceleration.
into acceleration.
So mass already they have given. How much it is? 1000 kilograms.
1000 kg.
But acceleration we should calculate. So they are asking that from bringing from last, you check it. Understand? What is the braking force applied at the end of 5 seconds? Means at the end of 5 seconds. 5 seconds means here. Where at point C. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And it is coming to the sixth understanding D point. So within 1 second you have to bring it into rest. So what is the acceleration? Tell me. Initial velocity. This is final velocity is how much? Final velocity is
Zero.
understanding. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 15 meter per second. And time is how much? 6 minus 5, which is equals to
1.
1.
that's 1 second. Correct or not? So calculate the acceleration. So from the graph you can write. This is a question mark only. Understanding? From graph, GRAPH, from graph, acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Is equals to what? Final velocity is what? 0 minus
0.
initial velocity is initial velocity
15.
15. Divided by final time is 6 minus initial time is 5, which is equals to minus 15
Minus 15 by 1.
is equals to minus 15 meter
Minus
per
15
second
meter
square.
per second square.
15 meter per second square. But here minus indicate what? Minus indicate what? Decreasing
Deceleration.
means retardation. All of you should-
Retardation.
retardation. It is not minus. Understanding? Retardation. Now you saw
Okay, sir.
force is equals to understanding mass into acceleration. So what is that values? Tell me. Mass is equals to how much?
1000 kg.
1000 kg.
Into A equals to how much now? Minus
Minus
15.
15.
15 meter per second square.
So now multiply 115s of 15, so that minus 15,000. Correct or not? Minus
Yes, sir.
15,000 kilogram meter per second square. So minus 15,000 means how many newtons?
Minus 15,000 newtons.
Minus 15,000. Understanding? Newtons. Because what we know that 1 Newton is equals to
1 kilogram meter per second square.
1 kilogram by meter.
Understand? So this is what the required force to stop a car. Understanding? Within 1 second. But this minus sign indicates what? Minus sign indicates decreasing.
Retardation.
Opposite direction. Direction of force is
Retardation.
motion. Understanding? That is you should know it. Minus indicates not negative force. There is no negative force. Remember, force is not possible to apply negatively. Only always positive. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Minus indicates that understanding force is acting opposite to the opposite to the what? Opposite to the direction of motion. Do you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Direction of motion. If same direction, F is positive. If opposite direction, F is
Negative.
That's all. So that is you should write it. Solve it now. Any doubt, anybody, please ask me from the first. This is the graph based question. So now do you understanding first chapter and second chapter? Do we have link or not?
Yes, sir.
Do we have link or not? First chapter and second chapter?
Yes, sir.
That is
Sir.
what you should understanding.
Sir, please scroll down, sir.
Okay. Everybody, solve it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Solve
No,
it.
sir.
Solve it. You solve it. I will wait. So minus 1500 Newton. You got the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. Is it okay, Ra?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Completed? Manya, Samaya, Laksha?
Finished, sir.
Next question. Next question this is. Write it. Observe very carefully. This question is little bit different. 7 metric tons they have given. So observe very carefully. 1 metric ton equals to how many kilogram? Like that conversion must be. So observe carefully here. A truck starts from rust. Starts from rust. Means initial velocity is how much, Ra?
0
0.
meter per second.
0 meter per second. And rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. Understand? So it travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Very carefully. Distance and velocity. Which equation, Ra? Distance and velocity. Position and time. Position and
Sir,
velocity.
third equation, sir.
Hey, position and velocity. Ra.
Second.
Position and time. Position and
Second.
Second equation, sir. Second equation.
equation. Understanding. So find its acceleration and also find the force. Find the force acting on its mass if 7 metric tons. Is it yes or no? That is.
Yes, sir.
So first write given. Given what you should write? Given. Initial velocity is equals to what?
0 meter.
0.
Initial velocity. We don't want final velocity here. Is it yes or no? Initial velocity u is
Yes, sir.
equal to. Understanding? No use of final velocity. 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. Initial velocity u is equals to. Now distance s equals to how much, Ra?
400 meter.
400 meter.
S is equals to, others also should speak. Darun, Tamil Selvan, 400 meter. Now time t is equals to how much, Ra?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Now from this calculate next what? Acceleration. Correct?
Sir.
Acceleration. We should calculate acceleration. So which equation will use? Which equation you see? Observe. Distance and time. Yes, and position and time. Which equation?
Second equation.
Second equation, sir.
Are you understanding, Ra? Second
Yes,
equation.
sir.
Motion. So Laksha, do you understand Laksha, Manya, Samya, everybody? So now you tell me. So second equation of motion. Tell me what it is. From
S is equal to
S
ut
equal to ut plus cos
A
ut square.
half h.
from second equation of motion. So what is that equation? S equals to ut plus
Plus cos at square.
at square. Now substitute the values. S equals to how much? 400.
400.
400 meter
0.
equal to
0 into 20 plus
20 plus
half into
half.
a into t equals to 20 whole square. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Or no? So now observe
Yes,
very
sir.
carefully. So now 400 meters. Understanding? This is 0 plus. Understanding? So
20.
1.2 into a into 20 square means how much, Ra? 20 into 20, which is equals to how much?
400.
400, sir.
To 400. Now 2 ones are 2 200s. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is equals to 400 is equals to a into 200. Understanding? 200 second square. Second square is there. Okay, no issues. So meter also, unit also not required. Later you can directly write it. No issues. Understanding? So now acceleration is equals to 200 will come this side. What will
200.
become? Division. Is it yes or no?
Division, sir.
So division. So 200 ones are 200 twos are, which is equal to how much, Ra? 2 meter
2
per
meter per second square.
Percent square.
second square. All of you solve it till here. All of you solve till here. Any doubt? Ask me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you solve. So from that I can say that acceleration is equal to how much, Ra? 2
2
meter.
meter per second square.
20%
But
square.
is it they are saying that enough? They also was asking what? They are also asking what? Find the force
Force.
acting on it, its mass is 7 metric ton. Understanding? That is. So that is also should remember. So now second part, we should calculate force. So force is equals to what? Force
Mass
is
into
Mass
acceleration.
into acceleration.
acceleration. So now, given mass we have calculated, mass equals how much given? 7 metric
Four.
7
metric tons. Understanding? So 7 metric tons means how many ra? How many kilograms? 7 metric tons means how many kilograms?
7,000 kilogram.
7,000, because 1 metric ton equals to, remember all of you, 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. All of you note it down. So 7 metric tons means how much? 7 into
7,000 kg.
1000.
7,000 kg.
so 1 metric ton, which is equals to 7 into 1000 kilogram, which is equals to how much ra?
7,000.
1000
kilogram.
kg.
Now we know for acceleration also. So substitute it now. Force is equals to 7,000 kilo into acceleration is how much ra?
2.
2 meters per second square.
Which is equals to force how much? 14,000 kilogram meter per second square. Which is equals to what?
14,000 Newton.
14,000 Newton. All of you did you solve it? Please solve along with me now. So beside you should write what is that? 1 Newton is equals to 1 kilogram meter per second square. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Solve it now, please. All of you solve. 14,000 newtons, correct or not? So last statement you should write. Thus, the force acting on the truck is thus. What the statement? Thus, the force acting on the truck is
14,000 Newton.
That is. Do you understanding, Pradosh? Tamil Selvan, Darun, please respond here.
Yes, sir.
Anya, Samya, no response. Do it fast. Now solve it. Do you understand, Maunesh? How to solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Later, if not solving, I will say you. Slowly, I am solving. Why means because of to this only. Better understanding. Handwriting also say that is why I am writing very slowly, neatly, because later you have to understand it. That is. So do it fast, all of you. 1 minute is there for meeting. You do it. Next question, next meeting only will do it. Do it now. Did you understand this sum, everybody? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Do you want to solve it down? Manya and Samya? This is. So remember here, 1 metric ton equals to 1000 kilogram. Understand? So the 7 metric tons means 7,000 kilogram. 10 metric tons means 10,000 kilogram. 20 metric tons means
20,000 kilogram.
20,000 kilogram.
that's all. Great.
Completed, sir.
Let them solve.
Finished, sir.
Completed? Manya? Laksha?
Yes, sir.
You understand my Laksha? Now at least you have to solve it. I don't know what is happening. Completed not? You understand or not?
Yes, sir.